Hello everyone out there, the Magic Institute of Excellence team. This is Suman and I have completed my master's degree in business administration from KL's IMSR College, Hubli. Couple of months back, I was in a position where fear, anxiety have decreased my confidence level. But like what I am going to do and what is my future, like how I am going to mold myself in the future. But then onwards, I got a solution where I found this Magic Institute of Excellence. Then I got a confidence like, yeah, I can also build my future in the finance domain. Finance domain is a thing where freshers are not at all welcomed with the open hands. But they are like, in every domain, the freshers are allowed. But in a finance domain, every people will ask for an experience. But then our Vishal Bojani sir comes to a help. Like he is the one-man army to our Magic Institute of Excellence team. He handles each and everything. We must be very thankful for his knowledge, teachings, and he is like a kid man. Like he teaches in a way like every non-finance students to get a chance to learn finance in a very good way. Then comes our Prathamesh sir. He is a power packer. Exactly a power packer. His voice is like, hello guys. Wow, it's just a thing like, okay, Prathamesh sir came. We used to be like that. And after that, Akil Shetty sir. Of course, he's a financing modeling lecturer. He teaches in a way like, if we ask a silly question too, he's like, oh, you have learnt in the previous only. He will not at all tell like that. He will teach us each and every minute details too. And next comes our Darshan Shah sir. He's good looking and my favorite too. He teaches futures and forwards options. He teaches in a way like, yeah, he's also good, and he teaches each and every details of futures and forwards. Every non-finance students also get to know. How can I forget our Aisha ma'am? She also coordinates like anything, and she is also a great and main pillar to our Magic Institute of Excellence team. Isha ma'am, she's a woman where she thought like how the LinkedIn profile should be, like how we can attract the recruiters, how we can attract them and how we can catch their eyes. She is also a good mentor to us. Yeah, this is all about the experience and the sweet memories I have in my Magic Institute of Excellence, and I will be a proud student of Magic Institute of Excellence, and I'm looking forward to be to make a future in finance domain. Thank you so much, each and everyone.